Taiwan GIU CHUN has over 50 years of experience in the production of crochet and warp knitting machines and has developed intelligent monitoring systems, which are in line with the trend of Industry 4.0. Raw material procurement and assembly operations are all done locally in Taiwan, and it provides perfect quality and after-sales service. Machines can be optionally equipped with whole plant output, intelligent design and administration technology and monitoring system, allowing managers to grasp the production status anytime, anywhere. There are more than 40 models to meet customers' different product needs, and they have passed CE, SGS, DNV, and ISO certifications. Before a machine leaves the factory, it will undergo rigorous testing and obtain customer-specified sample weaving confirmation. Machines adopt Taiwan Shihlin electric frequency conversion operation and can change speed in accordance with varying raw materials and finished products. The output monitoring system allows managers to keep track of the output and downtime rate, etc. through mobile devices. Intelligent management can maximize company efficiency. In addition to hardware technology, we continue to improve our company in every aspect. Let us join hands over the next 50 years to reach every corner of the world.